Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the capture environment predictable. Set display scaling to 100% and switch to your monitor's native resolution. Once done, close apps that force their own scaling or interpolation because they blur pixels before Snipping Tool sees them. Make sure GPU acceleration is enabled in source apps and use the highest resolution display if you have two screens. These steps reduce resampling and ensure Snipping Tool grabs true pixels rather than a scaled approximation. Now perform the actual capture. You should use rectangular or full-screen snips to preserve native pixels. Window mode can introduce compositing artifacts. Before you click, set the source app to 1 zoom so text and lines aren't anti-aliased. After snipping, copy to clipboard then save as PNG. This keeps lossless detail. If you need a higher pixel count, temporarily increase the source image or browser zoom, capture, then scale down. Scaling down preserves sharpness better than scaling up. Finish by post-processing. Open the PNG in an editor and crop precisely, then export at 300 dpi if the target is print or high-res display. If the result looks blurry, make sure you actually used 100% scaling and the native resolution. Try the other monitor if you have multiple. Also avoid saving as JPEG and disable display mirroring or any remote desktop session because those introduce compression. One key troubleshooting tip: if captures still blur, reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.